Hello everyone. I am here to share some envelope journals that I made with you. I got this idea from Beth's Journals Boutique on YouTube, and I will link her YouTube below. Hers are gorgeous. Oh my goodness, they're gorgeous. But this is my take on it, and I will just do a quick flip through with you on these. I did 3 different ones, and let me see, are they the same size? This one's the only one that's a little different size. You can use any envelopes that you want, any size. They're just so fun, and I got a little addicted to them for a minute. I still am, but yeah, let's do this. Okay, this one. And I also will link everybody's digitals that I have below, like Rachel's and My Porch Prints, and what was the other one? Where I got my flowers. Some of them are Tsunami Rose, but the other ones are Artsology, I think it is, on Etsy. But let me flip through these. This little trim. My goodness, my allergies are just horrible, and I'm sorry. I try not to do that. This little trim right here I got from my friend Michelle. And I just did some layering on here. Some little buttons, a little flower. Just description. Oh my goodness, my words. And just did some little dangle right there. Isn't this paper gorgeous? I just added this butterfly and my little nameplate there. And let's see. Okay, I want to show you. These are the envelopes that I used. And I'm not sure if it's this size or which one of these are made out of it, but I did coffee dye a bunch of these envelopes up. And they just got the little peely, sticky thing on there. But I don't know where I got these. I think I got them at the dollar store, Dollar Tree, whatever, whichever one. But that is what I used on these. And I just made a little pocket right. Whoops. Did you see that? It just fell out of there. Oh my goodness. I got things hanging from my video camera. So funny. Oops. This way. I have a little pocket here. Some little layering. And this flips open. And I have a little pocket here. Just a bunch of little odds and ends. And I did a bunch of sewing in here, and then there's a pocket here, and I have a guest check. This one gets a little bit not nice, but I might have to trim just a hair off the top of this, but it's just a coffee dyed guest check. And then there's that one. I'll put it in later, but if you just go like that, then you can get in there pretty easy. These are pretty flexible. Coffee dyed paper, some fabric trim. I just stapled that on there, made a little tuck spot there, did a little stenciling, some washi tape. In this middle of this little signature, there's 2 little signatures in here. And this is Mrs. Coggs, I know that. I just did some little this and that's and throughout this journal. Just tucked that in there. This one is sewn on the coffee dyed paper. This little snippet cluster I made there out of paper and fabric. That was the first little signature. And here is the 3rd envelope piece right here. I just put this on there. Made a little pocket right here. I love that. So pretty. I bought me some of those. So I'm hoping they will be so gorgeous by next year. And on the back, there are these little pocket. And I just sewed around this little guy, put the butterfly on there. And here's a little pocket here. And this I just made it flip all the way down so you can write all up in there. This also flips open. Little envelope thing. I've done those for years. And here we have one of my little Franken tags little fabrics and everything on there. This is just a little envelope I clipped on. Did some, I think there's a little tag inside there. But my hands are not being so pleasant today. Kind of hurt. This weather just doesn't stay one way or the other. It likes to wishy-washy back and forth. Sunny one day, raining the next. That's Washington for you. Sure is. I love this. So pretty. Some more. A lot of journaling space in here. And this was a extra piece that I had sitting. It's so pretty. I just got to show you. I'm sure you've seen it in my other videos, but I love it. And I just clipped it on there. And I just there's another tuck spot right here. Put this journaling card in there. Is there anything else in there? Nope. And I just glued this on, and it's just a bunch of my cut-off papers that I had to cut off here. And yeah, it's just a little extra journaling spot. And that is the first one. I think they're so cute. Oh my gosh, they're so fun too, and quick. Super quick. Let me show you the next one. I think this was my very first one that I made. And I just added this little cherish and dictionary description. Yeah. Every time I say description, I want to say subscription. Every time I want to say subscription, I say description. So, you know what I mean. I added this little flower on the front, and that bee is so... Ooh, I hate bees, but I love that. And I put this on the spine, the fabric on the spine, and on the back I added this little flower. And I sewed all around these too, all these little images that I put on. Oh, duh, Paula, get with it. In the front we have a pocket of this one. And this is just a little tag glued or clipped on in this little fabric. Flip through this one. Here's another little pocket. And I sewed around that pocket. And over here is a little belly band. Of course, my dog is going to cry to come in when I'm in the middle of a video. Little stinker. Here is an envelope with some coffee dyed index card inside. Yeah, there we go. Some washi. This is washied on. I got lots of old flips and flippity-doos and ins and outs and all sorts of stuff going on. This is just a long piece of paper folded up with a little butterfly on the front. Tuck spot here. That opens. This journaling card, which has this little tag inside. And this whole thing, this is attached. And then in this envelope, I have this journaling card. And that one was pretty easy to get in and out. The second little signature. That is just clipped on. This folds out, and I added this cute little thing there, little cluster. I'm trying to hurry because I have 3 of these to go through. And I just glued this little, no, I didn't glue it, sorry, I stapled it. Little fabric cluster on there. Little T card clipped on there. Anyways, this is just clipped on. Oh my goodness, and this is a little tuck spot. See, this is why I don't know. Ah, my goodness. It's a little tuck spot, and then this just flips down for journaling. And I just actually clipped that on there, not on this part. There we go. That was a bit crazy there. And then we have a tuck spot in this envelope. which has this journaling card in there. I should have glued that one down, but I left it. And then we got these two. And that is that one. She's so cute. I love her. Okay, and let me let my dog in. I'll be right back. So sorry about that. They, I think, know when I'm doing a video and always want to come in when I'm doing a video. This is the third one. And this one's a little bit longer than the other ones. And I put a tag on the front of this one with a glassine bag behind it. And some drop cloth as the spine. I've been using a lot of drop cloth because I just like the texture of it, and it's almost like canvas but yet not. And then I added some flowers on the back and did some stenciling back here. And let's go inside. I just added a little Ray Dunn to-do list right here, and underneath is a Tsunami Rose tag, music paper, one of my little snippets I put on there, a little collaging on this bag right here, and then we have this tag that I did in one of my videos not too long ago. And over here, a little collage spot with a bunch of coffee dyed paper, leftover paper, some seam binding ruffle, another one of my collages I did in my video, my Tim Holtz Min video, and a little tag here with a tuck spot on the back. Tuck that in there, a little birdie, some stenciling, just a little collaging right there, some little fabric snippets. And this is the middle envelope, and we have the coffee dyed index card inside. Tuck spot over here. I love this vintage photo. Stick that in there. I have hair on me. Get off me. Some little collaging. Little belly band with some this and that tags over here. I just love these. They were so fun. I don't know. I'm probably going to make some more of these because I think they're so much fun. I have another journal I have got to get made, so I cannot play anymore. I have to get down to business. This opens up all the way. So yeah, I gotta get on that. But these were so fun. Sometimes I just have to take a little break in between, like if I have orders for 3 of the almost kind of the same style journals, then I have to take a little break to clear my mind, or everything starts to look the same and I can't come up with nothing good to do. And so I had to take a little break and then do something else, and then I can get back to it, and it usually works for me. So that's how my brain works. Another vintage photo. I love those. And under here, this journaling card. So yeah, after doing these cutie patooties, I think I can get back to it. So yeah, that is my 3 envelope little journals that I was inspired to make by Beth's Journal Boutique. She's the one I seen do these. So I will give her a shout out. And thank you so much for sticking with me and flipping through all 3 of these. I will have to make another video because I have 2 more littles. I call them littles because they're not many minis, but they're not large either. So yeah, I will see you soon. Have a wonderful day. Take care, everyone, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.